Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, nice little kind of snack or breakfast. We're going to do some eggs with mushrooms on some lovely buttered toast, a little bit of tomato on the side, super easy. Let's go and take a look at what we need. Okay, so 3 eggs, lightly beaten. I don't like to overbeat them. Some mushrooms, maybe there's 2 or 3 cups of fresh white mushrooms cut nice and thin. Like a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. We're going to add some salt and pepper. And here we've got a little bit of cheddar. I'm using some sliced cheddar that I've just broken. You could be using grated. Really simple. Let's just get to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of pan or something. I've got this one here. And I've got some olive oil in there. I'm going to add in our mushrooms. Cut nice and thin. Now we're on quite a lively heat. If you wanted, you could be using butter. Just get a little bit of black pepper in there. A little bit of salt, not too much. And then we're just going to fry these around, like I say, on this lively heat for maybe 3 minutes. Keep them moving. So I've turned the heat down to fairly lowish level now. As you can see, they've just cooked really beautifully. If you want a little bit of garlic in here, it could be nice. What I'm going to do now is get those 3 eggs in there, and then we're just going to work this around. We're going to scramble them together. We're not on a simmer, by the way, but just above a simmer. Look at that. Now let's get that Parmesan in there. I like that in the mix. Let's go. I'm going to do this for about 2 minutes. Or however you like your eggs. And that's kind of where I like to be. Now we're just a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds away. Just going to throw in some cheese. Like I said, I've got this sliced cheddar here, which I've just cut into bits. And that's going to put the heat on really high, just for 30 seconds. Okay, I've just turned the heat off, and that cheese kind of just does its thing in there, melts, and makes it, for me, wonderful. Okay, let's get that on some lovely buttered toast. Okay, some toast, buttered. Let's get it out. Beautiful, stringy, stretchy, fantastic eggs with mushrooms here. I love this. Cut a bits of tomato. If you want, a little bit of chili sauce on that maybe. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.